On today's vlog, how to steer a boat.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Steering a boat is really easy. Just forward and back, and then steering. Just got to stay to the right.
Are you having fun?
Today's health tip is in relation to breast cancer. Breast cancer used to be called nun's disease because the more menstrual cycles you have, the more increases your likelihood of contracting breast cancer at some point. And nuns, because they didn't used to conceive or breastfeed, they were more likely to get it. They think it's because of exposure to reproductive hormones, and the takeaway lesson is that breastfeeding can be really good for your health.
Another boat.
Should we give them a race? Focus, Singh. Are you having fun? Yeah, the steering's very sensitive. That's
Yeah, that's it. That's it. No, don't do more that way. No.
okay, not into the bank.
I'm trying to buy a house than a car. Do something useful.
This happens to be a car show on. Those are really nice. I think I guess it's a replica, right? So cool.
Recreation. It's identical to the original car. Just about every way. It's significantly less expensive. You know, it's the real deal. Can be well in excess of £10 million. So.
And plus, you probably don't have the same issues with.
So basically, get 6.
Yeah, I'm getting some.
If no one has any allergies, we can try this white chocolate fudge. It's super, super tasty, and we've just made it.
Wow.
So this is white chocolate fudge. It's freshly made, fresh off the slab. Yeah, we'll just give it a go, lady.
Let's go meet Jimmy.
Hey guys, welcome. Any allergies at all?
No.
Brilliant. Have some white chocolate.
Heard a lot about you, Jimmy, on TripAdvisor. Very famous.
Very popular fudge. It's making me heart flutter. Well, we'll be making another fudge in about 10 minutes. If you want to watch us doing that, you're more than welcome to. And hashtag any filming to judge my fudge, and I get more money as a result. That's
Sounds good.
always a good result. You can even get a little bit of the fudge. Melt it down, twirl and twist. That's how you style the tash, sir.
That is a really good tip.
Madam, come hither, come hither. Well, at 2 o'clock, I've got a lovely family of 4 coming in to make this with me. So you could catch 4 different people for a minute in the air as well. It'll be like a montage.
Thanks,
So
Jimmy.
now we've got this levelled off, we're just going to straighten these lines up a bit. There we are. We're going to get all the extra meringue and raspberries off here. Now we're going to start a process that we call loafing. Now we call this process loafing because by the time we're done, it's going to make it look like a French baguette or a loaf of bread. And we're just folding the fudge over itself again and again and again. And you'll see how this is still breaking the sugar crystals down, but we're moving less and less fudge with each fold. That means we're going to get a creamy interior and a nice firm exterior because we're only tempering the outer layers, you see. Here we are, cut this little corner off.
That looks like good exercise.
Oh yeah, what do you think these rippling fudge muscles came from, sir? Oh, bodybuilding every day being fudge.
We can't eat this. It's got meringue.
There you go, cool, brilliant. That means we can all have a nibble on this. So I'll get all of this.
Fudge Kitchen in Windsor. It's definitely worth checking out.